Very good. Very good. Very good. In the first round.
Mga bata, kanino yung bata na tumatakbo? You're not supposed to be there. Baka mahulog kayo, please go down.
Lamang si Kobe first round. There's Kobe.
Players, once your name was called, please proceed to the inspection area to relieve your call. Match number 120.
Very good.
Blue Armor, Princess Lee Kaba from Takurong City versus Red Armor, Sarma Sakit from Manila. Please proceed to the inspection area right now.
Very good.
Match number 127.
Very good. Oh!
Blue Armor.
Oh!
Jenny
Very good, Kobe. Nice one.
Please proceed to the inspection area right now.
Good boy. Oh, tangin kita.
Last call. Again, this is your last call. Red Armor, Melhan Olivia from Copeland Municipality. Please proceed to the inspection area right now.
Ulo! Ulo, Kobe, ulo!
Match number 130. Blue Armor using Velasco from Tagualan City versus Red Armor Ray Garcia Catanyones from
Very good.